Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll show you where to find the ABS fuses on a Dodge Journey guys, or Fiat Freemont ABS fuses. Now, this Dodge Journey guys in the rest of the world is known as Fiat Freemont guys. So quite a few videos will be made on this car. We'll have more than 200 videos on this car. So please guys, subscribe to the channel for more videos. Our mission in the shop is to save you as much money, okay, as we can here. Now, ABS fuses guys, you have actually 3 fuses that control your ABS. You have for ABS pump, ABS valves, quite a few things. So you need to check all 3 fuses if you have problems with your ABS system. You have a fuse box under the hood, and then you have one fuse box behind the glove box. We need to locate the fuse box which is under the hood right here. This is your fuse box. How you open that thing guys? Okay, these 2 things, squeeze them towards each other, okay, you can see, and you remove the lid like that. Now looking at the fuse box this way, this is your corresponding layout of the fuses. The first fuse guys that we need to find is fuse number 141. So this is a 40 amp fuse guys. Now all the fuses guys, including the replacement fuses that we use, will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. So how you remove that fuse now? Okay, we grab the fuse puller, okay, get your fuse puller, grab it sideways, okay, like that, shake it a little bit while pulling on it. Okay, and your fuse comes out, okay, like that. So I'm going to go ahead, grab the new one now. Then we have 2 more that we need to check guys, okay, and let's install this one. How you install it? Okay, you make sure that it aligns with these things here, goes in and push on it until it clicks all the way in. Then we need to find guys fuse number 156. Okay, now that will be quite a bit of hunting. Okay, right there, that's number 156. Okay, it says break 10 amp fuse. So looking at it, okay, that way now it will be this fuse, okay, right here. Okay, this fuse right here. This is fuse number 156. So how you remove it? Again, you use the same fuse puller but on the other side. Grab it, pull it out. Okay, those are actually a little bit easier, okay, to see if they're burnt or not. You can see the element on the inside and you can tell if it's burnt or not. But if you're in doubt guys how you test the fuses, you set your voltmeter on continuity, and if the fuse is good, it will be like touching these 2 together. The voltmeter will go towards 0, okay, and you'll hear a beep usually. If it's burnt, it will just stay at 1. So when we touch them, okay, listen, this one is a good fuse. Again, all the parts and tools guys will be listed in the description of the video below. So we'll go ahead, install this one. Now we need to find fuse number 173. So okay, let's go ahead and find 173 now. It's really hard to read that fuse box guys, and that's why we decided to make the videos, okay, with the fuse diagram and everything, so you can see, okay, where things are. So I can see 172, okay, right, 173, okay, that's for the ABS valves. This is a 25 amp fuse. Okay, and this one, okay, will be this fuse guys right here. So again, we pull it the same way. Okay, and those are special little fuses guys. Definitely check out where we get them from in the description of the video below. Okay, this one's burnt. I'm going to go ahead and replace it with a new one. Okay, and just push it in now. Okay, perfect. So those are the fuses for the ABS. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.